So it's down at the port area. You've got a cable car system that runs up to that tower and then up to that hillside where the castle is, I believe. On there. I saw a cable car a second ago, but it's gone now, so I'm not too sure how many go along there. It's a W Hotel, which sits on the seafront area. That's the bridge that goes across the port. The harbour area. So outside of the bridge we've got Mare Magnum, which is a huge shopping centre. Food upstairs by the look of it, so loads of food upstairs, shopping downstairs, some restaurants. Yeah, there's no shortage of places to eat. This is the food market upstairs. Plenty of restaurants, plenty of choice, all different types of food, bar outside. So the Catalonia flag is everywhere. I think it's to do with their independence. There's lots of things, TV, crews, everything. I think it's to do with them wanting their independence from Spain. So I wonder what it was all going on. It's loads of people with flags. I thought it was something to do with football at first, but it's not. Anyway, this is Las Ramblas. So walking straight up the main Las Ramblas street. Still loads of food, loads of restaurants on the sides of the road. It's very busy, it's buzzy. But if you want to get a drink or a cocktail, pizza, paella, it's all available, as are the tourist shops as well. There's plenty of those. So you've got things like steak and paella, etc. Maybe later, thank you. Gracias. Cocktails. As you can see, it's quite busy. So you got all these like little quaint, quirky. This is a little pizza place. It goes down into the back there. All these little cubby holes of places. Loads of cafes and places to eat. There's no shortage of those. So you go over here as well. Loads of kind of just al fresco dining, drinking. And there's all these artisan type shops on the side. Yeah, it's really nice. So, our next port of call is the Corgi Café. Well, it's quite busy. Let's go in and see. It might be a bit busy.
You need a table. Table for two. Right now we do per place. If you want to wait a little bit outside in the line, maybe in 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, gracias.
We are full.
So we're full.
So where are we? We're waiting 10 minutes. We've been told
Okay,
to wait
perfect.
10
So
minutes.
wait is right here with me.
Thank you.
Yeah, right here. You usually make the line. Yes.
Ah.
You can check out the menu if you want.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Line starts there.
We're in line for the Corgi Café. Well, gutted. Well, two things. It was the wrong Corgi Café. We find out there were 3 Corgi Cafes. That was the smallest one, I think, and it was fully booked, and we didn't see any dogs. So we're going to the other Corgi Cafe. That's a little bit further, so we're going to walk there now. See what's en route as well. I think by walking you do kind of tend to see different things along the way, don't you?
We do. Get our steps up.
Get steps up as well. So we walked 7 miles yesterday. We'll probably be on about 10 today, I would have said, but let's see where the journey takes us this time. Well, after that, God knows how long after an hour, quite a long way of walk, we've made it to the other Corgi Cafe. I'm just hoping that this one we don't have to queue for. We've got some corgis as well. Well, we're just there, let's go and check it out. Fairly busy though, isn't it? Let's have a look. I don't know if he's got any. Huh? Go up and see. A little snack in there. Right. Corgi Café.